So we start by looking at social media, Instagram, Pinterest, and try to find what people are wearing, what small aspects of pieces of jewelry we could utilize in our own line, as well as what we can break apart into findings that can be made into other pieces. This one is a earring component. We utilized an earring topper that has metal as well as a drawing set diamond. And then we had 2 dangle pieces, and we also used a ombre color story, which is really popular right now. So within this piece, we utilized a linear geometric trend, things like solid bars or accented bars and sticks. For earrings or necklace centers have become really popular, as well as utilizing fancy shapes like marquee, pear, ashers, emerald, really in trend right now as well. So this one's also an earring. We utilize micro bezel baguettes. Baguettes are super popular right now, as well as fringe, and the idea of utilizing chain in almost in a free-form way with geometric accentuates the linear aspect, which is really prevalent in this design as well. In this design, we kind of looked at geometric as well as another trending idea in jewelry right now is Art Deco. It's really, really popular, triangular, elongated shapes. We use a heavier mill grain here, usually in our production, which I think accentuates the shape within the design. Our job as designers is to try and create opportunities for jewelers to be creative and to make their lives easier by solving problems before it even gets out the door. So we try to keep in mind ways that the jeweler and our customer can be creative and make exciting pieces for their customers.